Now let's study about cleaning materials. The various cleaning materials are water, detergents, abrasives, acids, alkalis, bleaches, solvents and polishes. Water is the simplest reagent available to us for cleaning. Some dirt may be loosened and dissolved in it. Detergents are available in powder, solid like soap, soap flakes, etc. and liquid form and used with water to clean various surfaces. The basic ingredients in a detergent are surface active agents known as surfactants. It can have more ingredients like alkaline salts, bleaches, foam boosters, germicides and perfumes. Abrasives are sand, finely powdered brick, sawdust, wheat bran, emery paper, fine ash, filtered chalk, etc. Besides these, steel wool, nylon mesh, coconut fibers are also used to scrub dirt. Their use depends on the surface to be cleaned and the type of dirt to be removed. Acids. Strong acids are used to clean toilets, water closet and sinks and are available in crystals or liquid form. Milder form of acids are also used to clean very dirty tiles and should be rinsed off as soon as possible after use. Vinegar and lemon are used to clean stains on metals like brass and copper. Alkalis, baking soda and ammonia are used as grease, emulsifiers and stain removing agents. Bleaches. Stains on fabrics are removed by bleaches such as sodium hypochlorite, sodium perborate, hydrogen peroxide, sodium hydrosulfide, etc. Solvents such as methylated spirit, carbon tetrachloride, kerosene, petrol, etc. are used to remove grease, wax and other stains from the surfaces. Polishes used on surfaces such as floors, furniture, leather and even metals. When rubbed on a surface, they provide a protective covering to the surface and produce shine while cleaning it. Furniture cream. The ingredients are beeswax 50 gram, turpentine 30 ml. The method for making it: shred wax and put it in a pan and cover with turpentine. Heat in a double boiler till wax melts. Cool and allow it to set. The use for it: it's used to polish light color furniture. Furniture polish. Ingredients: linseed oil 50 gram, turpentine 30 ml, vinegar 30 ml, methylated spirit 30 ml. Method: mix all ingredients together in a clean bottle and store. The use for this is: this can be applied on furniture with a pad of old cloth. Metal polish. Ingredients are soap 2 tablespoons, ammonia 1 tablespoon, boiling water 2.5 cup, bath brick 50. The method: dissolve soap in boiling water, mix with the bath brick and ammonia, cool and store in an airtight bottle. Use: shake well before use, soak soft toweling in the mixture, let it drip dry, wipe and rub with this toweling now. Copper cleaner. Ingredients are fine sand 4 teaspoon, flour 2 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon. Method: mix all ingredients and keep in a jar. Moisten a small amount of above mixture to a paste by using equal amounts of vinegar and water. The use is: rub well into brass or copper surfaces to remove stains.